Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen where we make mouth-watering delicacy. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this spinach vegetable sauce and unripe plantain. I will be using ginger and garlic powder, chicken seasoning, curry and thyme, maggi and salt, and thereafter I will be using grinded crayfish and tomatoes. I will also be using smoked mackerel fish, fresh pepper, sunflower oil, diced chicken, diced onions and cooked beef. I will be using my spinach washed and cut already. So come with me as we cook. First I will put my oil into my clean pan and allow this to hot for some minutes. I will then fry my cooked beef for 2 to 3 minutes. I went ahead to cover this up in order for the oil not to splash on me. Now that my cooked beef is fried, I will go ahead to take it out of the oil. I will also be frying the chicken. I will do this for 2 to 3 minutes as well. If today is your first time here, you are welcome. For my old subscribers, I greet you all. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Please share this video with friends and family and give this video a thumbs up. Back to the cooking of the chicken. Now that our chicken is well fried, I will take it out of the oil and set aside for later use. I will add more oil to my pan. The next thing I will do now is to add my chopped onions to the oil and fry this for some minutes. I will be adding my fresh pepper and then stir this together. At this point, I will be adding my garlic and ginger powder. We then go ahead to add the next ingredient, which is my thyme, followed by my curry. I will also add the chicken seasoning, and I will stir all these together to awaken the flavor. At this point, my bestie, my kitchen is full of nice aroma. I will be adding the tomatoes and give this a stir and then cover up to cook for 2 to 4 minutes. After 2 to 4 minutes, I will open up the pot and add my fried beef, then followed by the fried chicken. Then I will also be adding the crayfish, not everything for now. I will be adding the remaining one later. I will yet add the smoked mackerel fish, and thereafter I will stir all these together to combine very well. At this point, I will be adding the remaining seasoning, including salt and maggi, and then I will go ahead to give it a stir. be covering this up to cook for some minutes because of the seasoning I just added, and then open up my pan and I will show you the next step. Now that the stew has simmered and you can see that it's well cooked, I will go ahead to add my spinach. You can add your fresh vegetables such as ugu, green leaf, whatever vegetable you want, even kale leaf you can add. I'll go ahead to cover this all for just some minutes, and then I will open up and stir together. Again, I will be adding the remaining crayfish and give this a stir. At this point, I can say our vegetable is ready. It was so delicious, guys. Do not hesitate to try this out. I went ahead to use this to eat yam, plantain, but you can also use it to eat rice, spaghetti, pasta, whatever you want to use it to eat. Now I will go ahead to cut and peel the plantain. I will then show you the next step to take. Before I started peeling my plantain, I already put the pot of water on my gas cooker, and now that it has boiled, I will add a little salt, and then I will add my peeled plantain. Now that I have finished adding all the plantain into the boiled water, I will cover this up to cook for 6 to 10 minutes. Now that my plantain is well cooked, I'll go ahead to uncover it. I will then take out of this. Guys, the food is ready. It was so yummy, tasty and delicious. Go ahead and try this up, and if you do, please tag me. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.